Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, responding to a person who writes to me from France and who has a Mercedes ML 270 CDI with 163 HP that does not start in the mornings unless you use brake cleaner. Let's see. You know that the brake cleaner is flammable, which causes the engine to self-start, and the rest of the day it works without problems. If you leave it stop for several hours, it manages to start it, but in one day for another, it doesn't start. Unless they use brake cleaner again, they have taken it to a workshop, and in the workshop, they have put it into the diagnosis machine. And no fault has come out, so what they have done is change the 5 heaters, or preheating plugs. You already know that the ML270 CDI, that engine has 5 cylinders. That is why it has 5 heaters or preheating plugs. This engine also has a common rail system, and after changing the five preheating plugs, the problem remains exactly the same. Let's see, these engines, even if all the preheating plugs are bad, unless there are temperatures below zero, only with the fuel pressure are they able to start the engine. And as it says, it has not been solved the problem. And now what they have done is change the common rail pressure sensor. This is a common rail pressure sensor. And the problem continues, so now they have told him to also try changing the regulating valve common rail pressure gauge and asks, let's see if I can give you some idea. Because a lot of money is being left on this car. Let's see, one thing is that from what you are saying, what it seems is that it is an engine that is simply unprimed, maybe unprimed, or has some obstruction in the fuel circuit, and that is why it may be difficult to start. But I already told you it will surely be a fuel leak, because this I have seen it many times, that in fact it is the first thing that is checked when these things happen, and not changing parts for the sake of changing. First try to see if it is unprimed, because it has a fuel leak, and find that leak and solve the problem. And then, from there, you can check if there is any blockage in the fuel filter, or a problem with the fuel pump. But always go from the easiest to the most difficult, and do not change parts for change. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.